If you want to view the Jobs section on itch.io, this quick tutorial will show you exactly where to click. Itch.io is a popular platform for games, creators, and indie developers, and it also has a jobs area where you can find work opportunities and browse available listings. So if you've been trying to figure out how to get there, you're in the right place. And before we start, if this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tutorials just like this. All right, let's jump in. First, open your web browser and go to itch.io. Once the website loads, take a look at the top left corner of the page. You should see a Browse option in the navigation menu. Click on Browse to open the drop-down menu. This menu gives you access to different sections of the site, including categories, community pages, and job listings. After the drop-down appears, look for the Jobs option. It should be listed right inside that Browse menu. Click on Jobs, and that will take you directly to the Jobs page on itch.io. From there, you can explore the available listings and browse through different opportunities that are currently posted. If you're looking for a specific type of job, you can use the filters or search options on the Jobs page to narrow things down and find roles that match your interests. You can also scroll through the listings to see what's available and decide which ones you want to apply for. That's really all there is to it. In just a few clicks, you can view the Jobs section on itch.io without having to search around the site manually. Open itch.io, click Browse, choose Jobs, and you're done. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new how-to guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.